Instead of camping at beautiful Lona Mea last night, we stayed at the comfortable Sheraton, Coconut Beach. Last night after we got back to the Jeep, we ran into the problem of most hotel offices not being open anymore. It was past 9 p.m. A lot of the local places were closed. So one of our cheapest options was the Sheraton here. We knew we could get in. It was a Marriott chain, right? They'll be open late. Sure enough, the front desk was here till 11 or midnight. We were able to make it in, check in. The room's nice, bed's really comfortable. We're gonna check it out real quick and then move on to enjoy some more Kauai activities. Ready for the day?
Let's go.
Since we worked our bodies hard hiking the day before, we wanted this day to be very relaxing. We decided to pay for a late checkout and just hung around the resort before moving on late in the afternoon. On top of its oceanside location, the Sheraton Coconut Beach offers several other amenities to be enjoyed, one of them being some yard games for guests to play, which I absolutely rocked at.
Down to 2. 3 for 3. You want to compete?
No.
They also had a game room that had games like pool, darts, foosball, some arcade games, and more in there. Of course we had to get a game in.
We're gonna play a game of pool.
Let's just say neither of us brought our A game, and we spent more time than we expected playing pool.
Oh, you win!
I knew I'm gonna win.
Well, the ocean looks super inviting, so I went to change clothes and we're gonna go out there, do a little swim. Oh, the sand feels nice. Woo. You see anything down there?
We had a great time just playing in the ocean, letting the waves crash into us. With the amazing weather, a beautiful beach, and not crowded at all, we couldn't have asked for a better afternoon. Eventually we did have to move on and finally check out of our hotel room so we could see the sunset and some monk seals at Poipu Beach on the west side of the island.
Alright, after driving through some traffic that slowed us down, we still made it to Poipu Beach for sunset. And boy, it looks like we're gonna have a good one. Just gotta find somewhere to park, I guess. Back here. Nap time. Just got back in the car from Poipu Beach. It's getting dark now, but we enjoyed the sunset. Saw some monk seals. Did you like it, Angie?
Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful, and I enjoy looking at the seal, sneezing and sleeping.
And our final night in Kauai, this is the room. A little bit different than the Sheraton, but it's cozy, it'll do, and it's close to the airport.
Now we're gonna go get some dinner.
We found Rob's Good Time Grill while driving around and was drawn in by the live music. It indeed sounded like a good time. We shared some fried calamari and poke nachos. Both were delicious. We would have liked to stay longer, but we had an early flight back to Oahu in the morning and needed some rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Look at this ancient artifact.